Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a bit of a different video. So basically, in today's video, I am going to be doing stuff with this one, and I've already started doing it. So basically what I started doing was, I started just blobbing random paints onto it. And if you hear anything from upstairs, like music or anything, just ignore it. So anyway, I made this homemade squishy. I did not get the chance to show you guys it because I videoed making it, but then it went over time and I just didn't get to do it and post it. So yeah, so I made this homemade squishy. I did it with just a sponge, and then I took off the green top bit, which was rough, and then I just put on white paint as a layer so it'd be thicker. And then I put on brown, wait for it to dry, put it in the fridge for like a day and a night, and then I put black dots on it for mint chocolate chip. I was going for like a mint chocolate cake biscuit kind of thing, and then I put on, just chocolate chip, but then I added on mint because I thought, I just may as well, because I wanted to add a bit more kind of detail kind of thing to it, and it did go. And it did go a little bit slow rising. I can't really show you guys right now because there's wet paint on it. But yeah, I just thought I might as well do this because, oh well. So yeah, this is meant to be a squishy. And it went a tiny bit slow rising. I dried it with a hairdryer because putting it in the fridge didn't work. Can you see that? Wait. So yeah. So I'm just going to be blobbing random bits of paint onto it. So let's get started. So I just have this big box of paints, and yeah, it just has tons of different ones in it. So I'm just going to be blobbing them on and then kind of patting them down with some tissues. So yeah, let's do it. So I've already done this colour, a blue and a red. So let's take out this orange colour, and then there'll be lots of different shades of things because wait, I already have this here that I used, so let's just blob it on and blob it about. So I'm going for just a kind of, what kind of look? I'm just going for I don't know, I just kind of wanted to look creative or something. Oh yeah, by the way, I was told that putting paint on it made it more slow rising, like because this sponge obviously wasn't slow rising at all, and it went just a little bit, and then apparently if you put paint on it, more paint, it makes it slow rising. So I don't know. I'm going to do this dark blue next. Just going to blob some on there. Oh my goodness, I'm getting the free. And then just blob it about. Blob stuff about. So I'm going to pause it and get this camera angle right so you can see me doing this. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, so basically the blue is there, and it might be quite hard to pause this, so oh, there we go, because I just had to put something in front of it to keep it there. But yeah, so I've done that colour. So I've done that colour, I don't know which one I'll do next. So I found this neon yellow, so I'm going to be using this one. Got quite a lot on this on there. So we are. I don't really, kind of just randomly thought of this video. I started doing it just randomly and then thought, why not make it a video? So, yeah, I'm just patting that on and it's kind of taking over everything. But it looks kind of cool actually. I think I'm going to do another red. So I think this patted on looks pretty cool. Probably not in the camera, but yeah, so let's choose the next colour. So I'm going to be using this like reddy orangey colour. It kind of looks orange in the camera, but I'm just going to blob. Ooh, that's watery. Can you see a water? Oh, it looks orange. Can you see that watery? Kind of looks watery. If you can't see it, so it does look orange in the camera, but it doesn't matter. So you can't really see the orange anymore. But I'm just going to be putting lots of different colours on here to make it look creative-y. That's even a word. If not, so I might put it there. Such a mess. Oh, so there's a defect. So basically there's a little crack. Don't want to get right there, but that doesn't matter. I'm just blobbing things about. I want quite like brightish colours. Don't want it to be brown like it was before. So let's just like pick the next colour. So I found this green. I'm using this. But I might put a few blobs. Like I kind of. Oh, looks like it's dry there. Oh, this makes me cringe so much. Oh, okay, came out. Let's just blob it on. So this place looks a bit brown. Get some tissues to blob it about. Ooh, this is looking cool. Well, I don't know. So I quite like it. Ooh, okay, there's actually paint all in my desk, but my dad will get it off. So that is the green. I'll do another blue because there's just no blue anywhere. So I'm going to do it like there. Love it. So I want to take over things like, yeah. The blue. I don't actually have any pinks or like purples, which is annoying. I'm gonna see what I have. Wait. Is that a purple? Probably not. I don't think this is it. Where did it go? It's brown. Oh, here it is. I found it. So this is. Oh, it looks very blue. Oh wait, I don't know. This is brown. This plant. I don't really know what other colors to do because it's like. So I'm just gonna use this that I found, just like a goldy colour. like a brownie goldy. No, I just thought, why not? Let's use it. So now I'm going to be covering around here. You can see the kind of greeny and black colours. But yeah, I'm going to start off with this blue because green, like turquoisey colour. Start off with this because I just found this. So there, and then now I'm going to use this kind of dark, very dark red. It looks brown there, but it's a deep red, it says. So let's just put this on. Oh, this was the watery one, but oh well. Oh, coming out very well. Okay. I'm gonna have to keep on using these tissues. Getting some different ones. Whoa, it's sticking to the tissue. Like, coming off with it. Very like thick. Dab this on. So I'll be back once I've finished this whole thing and it's all dry. Okay guys, so I have finished my homemade squishy, but yeah, so I got a big mess here, but I cleaned it up, but it's still like dirty and there's lots of paint stains. There's lots of paint stains on my desk anyway, but yeah. So I'm going to be showing you guys this squishy. It is not dry yet, but I will be drying it. So it's just brown on the bottom, and then that's the front, that's the side, got the there, and then it's one side, it's another side, and that's the other side of the other part. So yeah, that is the squishy, and I will be drying it and squishing it for you guys. So yeah, I'll be back once I've done that. So I'm just drying my squishy with a hairdryer. So I'll be back once I've finished. And I actually think drying it with a hairdryer makes it moisturizing. I know that sounds really weird, but it might, because basically I put mine in the fridge before like I made it multicolored, and it was like not moisturizing at all. Once I hair dried it and made it, I think it's because it makes it dry and then it gets moisturizing. I don't know, but yeah, let's just get into this because this may take a while. Okay guys, so I've just finished drying this with a hairdryer. I don't think it's fully dried, but I just wanted to do this because it's taking forever. So here it is. I'm just gonna show you guys it on like all the way around. It's the front, one side, different side, another side, and another side, and then the bottom. So let's give this a squish. Oh, so it's very sticky. It's still rising. You can see that little dent. That's where it's still rising. Can you hear that? Oh my goodness, this is so slow rising. I know it's not like slow rising like it's like, you know, but like for this squishy. So I think I'm gonna leave it to dry, just like overnight and stuff, and then in my next video I might update you guys on it. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!